Hello everyone. Now we'll go for the third numerical on circle. Okay, so I read the question. I'm writing here a given data. So listen question carefully. A circle is passing through two endpoints A. Now circle endpoints of circle are given 6, 4 and B 10, 10. Okay, so circle is passing through these two endpoints. Where AB is the diameter of circle, find the coordinates of center point. Okay, and diameter is A to B. This line is will be the diameter of the circle. Find the coordinates of center points, radius, and parametric equation of circle. Okay, so first we need to find center points of center, coordinates of center point, then radius we need to find. Okay, and the parametric equation of circle. Parametric equation of circle we need to find. Also find the coordinates of point on circle at theta is equal to 30 degree and theta is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so we need to find P1 at theta is equal to 30 degree and P2 at theta is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so these two coordinates of these two P1 and P2 points also we need to find. Okay, now if you want to see, the circle will be like this. This is y-axis, this one is x-axis, and the circle will be somewhere here. Okay, and the coordinates of points A and B are given. So here point A will be there, here point B will be there. Okay, and this will be the center of the circle. Let us say here PC is the center of circle. Okay, so here 5, 6, 4 and 10, 10. So 10, 10 will be here and 6, 4 may be here. Okay, so this, let us assume it is 6 and it is 4, it is 10, it is 10, like this. Okay, now solution. First is center point. So center point of the circle we need to find. So number 1, center of circle. Okay, so let us say PC, coordinates of PC we need to find. So coordinates of PC, you can call it xc comma yc, are nothing but half of a plus b. Okay, so half. Now a is x1 and b is x2 comma y1 plus y2. Okay, so let us say PC is equal to, now x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Now x1 is 6 plus x2 is 10 divided by 2 comma, now y1 4 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay, so 16 by 2 is 8 comma, now 14 by 2 is 7. Okay, so the coordinates of PC, that is xc comma yc, is 8 7. Okay, so in this way you have to find the center points. Now number 2, radius of circle. Okay, so radius of circle is given by radius is equal to half under root x1 plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to half under root. Now x2 minus x1 is 10 minus 6 square plus, now y2 minus y1, y2 is 10 and y1 is 4. Okay, so 10 minus 4 square. Now if you solve it you will get radius. So radius is equal to 3.6. Okay, here unit is not mentioned, so you don't have to mention your unit, mm, meter, whatever. Okay, now third is